Hi guys, thanks for joining me today as we work on the ending sound in words. So that's the last sound in the word, the sound that the word stops on. So what I like to do when I'm working on the ending sound is I like to stretch and pull the word out and see what sound it stops on. So practice with me. Let's start with chicken. Chicken. Pull the word chicken out very slowly and we'll see what sound we hear at the end. Ready? Chicken. Do it again with me. Chicken. Did you see that it stopped with a n sound? Now let's see what water stops on. Pull the whole word out and see what it stops on. Water. Water. It stops on the sound. Let's do lettuce. Ready? Lettuce. Do it again. Lettuce. What sound did you hear at the end? S. Lettuce. What about broccoli? Ready? Broccoli. Do it again. Broccoli. It stops on the E sound. Two more. Let's do milk. Ready? Milk. Do it again. Milk. What sound do you hear at the end? K, k, k. And our last one, tomato. Here we go. Tomato. Do it again with me. Tomato. You should hear that it ends with O. Now I'm going to challenge you. We have chicken and water up on the board. Which one stops with N? So stretch the words out. Chicken. Water. Which one stopped with N? I hope you said chicken. Now let's do lettuce and broccoli. Which one stops with S? Let's pull them both out. Here we go. Lettuce. Broccoli. Broccoli. Which one stopped with S? I hope you said it was lettuce. And now we have milk and tomato. Let's pull the words out. Milk. Tomato. Which one stops with O? I hope you said tomato. That's one of my favorite ones because when you make the O sound, your mouth makes a little circle. It looks like the letter O. I know, I'm a little bit silly. Okay, I hope that you learned something and we're going to keep practicing this. See you next time.